Hey everybody, just wanted to go ahead and give you my Pepper Tuesday update. So I had a little bit of problem with aphids. These plants that I have overwintering in the back, well, those aren't the same ones, but I had some plants in the back here, and I wasn't able to get to them obviously that easy, and I had a bit of an outbreak of aphids, but that's okay, because I took a little bit of water, made myself some aphid spray and a little bit of dish soap, sprayed them on them. I pulled them all out actually and cleaned them up, turned them up, sprayed them down, gave them a little bit of a salt spray afterwards, and they're doing good. They're doing real well actually, much better than they were with the infestation of aphids. But we move on over to these guys, and they're looking really good. Getting some dark colors on a couple of those. I'm not sure it's showing up in the video. The elephant ear bell peppers, I think I was just watering them too much. That's actually not a pepper. That's a praying mantis egg sac that I found, and I don't know if it's hatched yet or if it's going to hatch. I just kind of stuck it in there. Hopefully I'll get to put into a jar before it hatches. Probably should do that today. The Genghis Khans are coming up. The decimators are kind of a hard thing to grow too, unless my seeds were just kind of whack. Everything seems to be coming up pretty nice. I put a few more of the propagates into some dirt. And my Thai basil's doing really nice. The older Thai basil's doing much better. That peach ghost pepper plant I planted last spring, and it never got any bigger than that. So that's going to be my little bonsai project. I'm going to find a cool little planter to put it in. And a couple more of the propagates that I did put into dirt. And I cut a few of them off of the plants themselves yesterday, the branches, and I stuck them into some vases. So hopefully they'll start to take root and plant out a little bit. This is a red maple seed that I planted. When did I plant that? I planted that on my birthday, 12/11. And we'll see. Hopefully those seeds are okay because I planted some more. Well, that's my pepper update for Pepper Tuesday. Thank you for watching. Be sure to subscribe and ring the bell if you want to see some future updates. I want to tell you one more thing here. This is the lemon tree that I planted back in spring of 2000 and bleh. And it's starting to, the leaf on it's getting a little bit bigger. It's starting to look a lot healthier. So I think I kind of figured out the formula of watering it. I think I was overwatering it last year and it just kept sort of weakening out. Alright, anyways, thank y'all so much and have a great day. About stepped on my cat.